Hi, this is Timothy Jackson. This is Module 15, 5 New Technologies, and this is my 5th new technology, which is called ThingLink, which you can find at thinglink.com. Now, why I selected this one is an excellent resource for annotating images. You upload an image and you can write a whole bunch of things about it, even add pictures, and I'll show you all about that in a little bit. And I also select this because this could enhance a student presentation by allowing the student to label their items for their project, and they could just present their ThingLink to the front of the class, and that would help them present. Or if they so desire, they might not even have to present. They could just have other students explore. So this could cater to the more quiet students. The purpose of this, my goal was that this program would allow students to explore ancient paintings or historical pictures, or create a ThingLink to enhance their own projects to be presented in class. And the reason I selected this aligns with the standards ISTE T.1.A and ISTE T.3.D. Audience is students. So this is ThingLink. Once you have created your profile, you're going to come to a page and it looks like this. You can get a better subscription and do more things with it, but you can also have the free one. If you want to create a new one, you would just hit create, and the create would give you the option to upload an image, upload a video, or upload a 360 VR image. For our purposes, we're just going to look at the image, give you kind of a basic idea. So here's my image that I've already uploaded. We're going to click on that. That's what it looks like. And as you can see, I already have some links in this. And they're not working right now, which is why we need to go and edit. So when we edit, you can go in here and you can just pick certain spots and write down what you want. So for example, in this image, I have here a piñata. So I can go over to the text. I'd probably want to hit text for this and type in piñata. Additionally, I could make it into a large image, which would allow for me to put a picture there if I wanted to. A small image, but I'm just going to do text. And you can upload images and audio to go along with this. Alright, so I'm done with that one. Now, let's say I want to label the clock. Well, I just click on the clock, type in text, and type in clock. So once I'm done working with this image, labeling all the things that I want in the picture, I would go down here to save, and it would save for me. And then I would go down here to this green box and hit save. And then once I get here, I can find my links. There's clock, and if it were an image, it would pop up as an image, might pop up as a sound. There are a lot of different ways you can work with this program. So this is ThingLink, the 5th new technology that I found, and thank you for watching.